Right, today I'm representing to use my what I call is a HRM and SaaS systems using for a company to manage their employees, to create a task, the goals, also to manage the schedule, the working schedule of employees, and many more as the will automatically calculate the payroll of employees, leave requests for employees, and you can manage all of them. In my workspace, I separate into five, currently it's five time workspace times. The first one is a small business, and the role is will be the owner, the HR, and the member. And medium business, we have one more different is a team leader. So this had a team leaders here, and the IT startup, I got owner, developers, member, corporations, and the warehouse logistic. But I would not have the time to making videos with fully on the function of this system, so I just show you something. This is the most special one I made inside my workspace, and you can see here is a Pomai agents. When I ask it to list all the goal, this will list me on the goal inside the workspace. Let me see. The list on goal as give me you have one goal, the create goal, and the list on task have me the 92 tasks listed. And unfortunately, I have only one task, and because it's taken from the caching, so it's not me that I have the 92 tasks, and I forgot to delete the cache before the agents take the news data from the current website. But and I'm still developing it more about the delete off days and many more tasks. Oh, I forgot the Pomai Employees is made from the Microservice system, and all the services will be go through a gateway, so the front end will communicate with services from the gateway, and the Pomai agents will start in a different server, so the front end could send a request to the agents, and then the agents could execute the tools, and by giving I give this tool so it can execute that tools and call those to process my requirements. And the model I use for the agents is a Qwen 3.5 and 500 million parameters, and you can use any kinds of parameter you want, but I use a Qwen. I think it's fine, and it's good for the quick low performance devices. And you also can create a chat, a real-time chat with employees in the systems, or maybe you can create a group chat also. Yeah, well, and more, you can invite an employee into your workspace and give her a first role inside the workspace. And yeah, that's all about the workspace. I forgot. And this is made from the React.js and Express.js, only not JS for some original services. And the agent services are made from PomaiDB, the Cheesepath, and Pomai Cache, and many more. Yes, it's made from the Python, Go, C++. And if you want to check for the codes, I will put the link in the description. And PomaiDB, Cheesepath, and others are fully open source, and unfortunately the Pomai Employee is not open source, so yes, I will deploy it on the website and my VPS sooner for you to try it. Thank you for watching these videos.